Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see from the title of this video, we are unboxing our new Wonderfold Wagon. Yes, I am so excited about this wagon, guys. Okay, so we got ours in the color jet black, and we chose the W2 version. And I want to give a huge shout out to my wonderful and amazing husband for helping me to assemble the wagon. Thank you, babe. All right, guys, just keep on watching to the end of the video. Alrighty. Okay guys, so the setup was fairly easy and pretty straightforward. The total assembly time took us less than 15 minutes. Since this wagon is still new, we will be testing it out and coming back giving you guys another video with our full review. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Alrighty, bye.